Hello, everybody. This is Francisco Martinez, and this is Java 1, and this is week two's project. So, what we were supposed to do was add some extra content onto our app that the professor was going to provide for us. It would be um, two functional changes that we had to do. Um, I'll start off with the cosmetic, which is I had to change um, the icon and put a check on a white background. So I'm gonna click on the application. Um, this is one of our functional um, changes that we had to make. I'll explain it in a little bit. Um, Another one of the things was with the alert, we had to make sure that the icon actually shows up within the alert. Um, as for the functional stuff, we had to put in I had to put in a toast so that whenever it would add or remove something, it would show a toast saying that it was gonna add and remove it. I was kind of having trouble because I knew that I was also supposed to put in the context, like whatever the user put in, and I was trying to figure that out, and I couldn't really figure it out that much. I was also having trouble with the toast, so which I believe was kind of the hardest part of this project. But it was kind of a really silly mistake that I made, which was I forgot to put the dot show um, after the line. Um, Other than that, I'll do a quick demo. So I'll put in this my name. So as you can see, the icon does show up on the alert, and you saw a couple of toasts. I even put in a bunch of toasts to make sure that it actually worked, because I was really worried that it wasn't working. So instead of just taking them out, I felt like it kind of helps with the app, so I'm gonna leave it there. Um, the other function was actually for the alert, which is to actually remove the item. So if I was to click remove on here, the item would be gone. Um, for the app itself, it's kind of weird still. I'm gonna put my name again. As you can see, I'm gonna put in another one real quick. So as you can see, it actually has the inputs here, but if I actually remove it, I think the inputs still remain. And then for some reason, if I try to remove the first one, it won't go away. But if I was to type it in and show that it's already there and everything, and I click remove, it'll go away. But the inputs won't reset. So I just find that to be weird. Um, Other than that, the app, I mean, this was probably like one of the easiest um, weeks that I had. Usually around this time, it will still be tough for me for the past 2 months, but it turned out pretty good because I'm learning and I'm actually figuring out what to do. Um, the application is still a little buggy. I still don't have any idea on how to do the characters. I've been researching, and it's like I just don't get what exactly I'm supposed to do with that. So I just really need to go more in depth with it, but time was a factor, and I couldn't really get into it. Um, Other than that, like I said, it works. It seems to work well. I am learning, and I'm starting to get it, and I'm glad that the toast actually works, and that in some way I can actually remove items. That was something I was worried I wasn't going to be able to do. So just the fact that I could have the option to do that is just good. I hope you guys are actually able to get through your applications very well this week. I'm going to look forward to next week because I know what to expect. Um, but I'm actually going to be happy to see what exactly I can do with it. So you guys have a good night.